Here is a section of ground compact bone. So here under 40x magnification, you can clearly see your osteons, which are these structures. The lamellae, the type of lamellae that forms your osteon, is also termed as your concentric lamellae, while in between your osteons, that lamellae is termed as interstitial lamellae. And although I think it's not evident in this specific section, somewhere here you would have your circumferential type of lamellae. Present also in this tissue section are your central canals or Haversian canals, which are found at the center of each osteon. And this is where you're supposed to find the blood vessels and nerves. And then connecting to adjacent Haversial canals would be your transverse canals or Volkmann's canals. Okay, so again, since you can clearly see the cross section of your osteons, then this means this preparation is a cross section of your compact bone. In order to better appreciate the finer features of your compact bone, you can use your 100x magnification. So again, this is one osteon, and then it is formed by your concentric lamellae, and this would be your interstitial lamellae, and and this would be your Haversian or central canals, and the connecting canals would be your Volkmann's or transverse canals. And these small holes here would be your lacuna, where you are supposed to see your osteocytes. But in these preparations, the osteocytes were not fixed. So only the containers or the lacuna are evident. So here, you can see osteocytes. And they are contained in the lacuna.